My name's Neilan. I'm the owner of Excel Fitness Center. Most recently, I've been seeing Dimitri personally. I'm going to be doing a 100-mile race in March, and I've been running all my life, and I need to become more efficient at running. Total physical therapy, they look at the entire body. Many other therapists will look at it like you got to stretch your hamstrings, you got to strengthen your quads. Dimitri will look at it as, okay, when you're running, you're dropping your right pelvis because of your left foot. And he can analyze that information in minutes, and then he can relay it back to you so you know what you have to do. So I'm a physical therapist as well, but I want to see Dimitri because I need somebody else to sit there and tell me, this is what you need to do this amount, and to almost slow me down more. And then from a professional standpoint, I know my strengths as a business owner, and I know what my weaknesses are. And if you can bring in one of the best physical therapy businesses in the state, Total Physical Therapy, and work with them, you're going to do that.